In this video, we will show you how to extend background in Photoshop using Generative Fill. If you guys want to get started with Photoshop, you can use the links down in the description. First, open Google Chrome and search for an AI image of lighthouse. Then click on image and select one you like. After that, take a screenshot of the image. Now open Photoshop and create a new document. Here, upload the screenshot into Photoshop. Next, go to the top menu and click on image. Then select the canvas size. Then enter the desired width and height to extend the canvas size and click OK. Now, on the Layers panel on the left, make sure the image layer is selected. After that, use the selection tools from the toolbar to select the blank areas of the extended canvas. Then click on Select in the top menu and choose Inverse. Now, right-click on the selection and choose Delete and Fill selection using Generative Fill. So that's how to accent background in Photoshop using Generative Fill. Make sure to use the links down in the descriptions to get started with Photoshop. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.